Hello to Slovenia, hello to your culture and creative professionals in the country. I'm very happy to be saying a couple of words on this occasion to mark a kind of celebration of our past and future successes, I hope. You know that over the past period of Creative Europe, we've been able to support more than 1,000 international collaborations in 41 countries, and in those, 135 Slovenian organizations were involved, and in the international projects, 575 saw active cooperation as coordinators or as partners by Slovenian organizations. I think this is a very, very big success, and I already say at this stage, thanks a lot to the very active Creative Europe desk that you are hosting also this event today. You know, as I said always, Creative Europe depends on the activity of individual organizations, and Slovenia has been very, very proactive and successful and innovative over the past period. And overall, I'm happy to say that Slovenia has ranked number 5 of all the number of grants awarded as a country between 2013 and today. For example, Creative Europe has also given the support to 2 platforms that are led by Slovenian organizations. One of them, Future Architecture Platform, a newer, more recent platform by the Museum of Architecture and Design, which is connecting multidisciplinary emerging talents to 27 high-profile architecture institutions in 23 European countries, bringing ideas on the future of cities and architecture closer to the wider public. And that, I can tell you, is a very, very topical issue at the moment also at European level. And on the other hand, one of our very, very cherished platforms, which is Versopolis by Beletrina, which is a platform that creates new opportunities for emerging European poets and connects 24 renowned European literary and poetry festivals, exposing, connecting, and bringing the finest poetry closer to audiences. So also in this area, in literature, Slovenia's book sector has very much contributed to the cross-border circulation of quality European literature. Within the literary translation scheme, 16 Slovene publishing houses have received the EU support for 327 works of fiction to be translated into 32 European languages and brought to international readership across national borders. As you know, we are currently negotiating the new program with a larger budget, hopefully to come in place very, very soon at the beginning of next year. And I would like to say, while we will continue aiming for the same objectives, which are cultural and linguistic diversity and competitiveness of our sector, we will also, next to the continuity of our actions that we are aiming at, we will also bring some changes in a very positive sense, I hope, for example, by including the mobility scheme into the program, of which also individual artists may be able to benefit, but also, for example, introducing a sectorial approach which can give targeted supports to certain culture and creative sectors, which will be really an added value, we hope. All of this will be brought to you very closely in the near future, hopefully by your Creative Europe desk, the desks that we have been informing regularly about what's going on, and we know for sure, and the successful participation proves it, that the desk has been able to relay this information to you in a very targeted and focused way, and we hope that this good collaboration of activity will continue beyond the end of this year, because we very much rely on a functioning network of Creative Europe desks to be able to get feedback from the sector and to relay our information and communicating with you on the Creative Europe program. Thank you very much, and I wish you a lot of success.